IKIM proudly brings to you Women in the Qur'an and the Blessed Household of the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam by Shaykh Mohammad Aslam from Birmingham, United Kingdom. Within the Muslim community itself, there is much confusion about the status of women in Islam. Join us and learn about the 7 greatest women Allah ever created.
One of the great women Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala spoke about in the Qur'an al-Kareem. One of those great honorable women who was given the high status and rank of being the mother of one of the prophets. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala showed a prophet of Allah miracles at the hand of a righteous woman. The reason why I'm asking Allah here, because I see that this is a place already where Allah has accepted du'as.
Tune in to www.tvikim.my and Facebook ikim.fm every Monday to Fridays at 3 p.m.